is the price target in between $35,000 and $41,000 still in play for the Bitcoin price? What to expect right now for the Bitcoin price? Is it going to dump down or is it going to keep going up? So we're gonna just get straight into it, guys, and I'm gonna help you guys navigate this again as usual. And so, hi guys, and welcome to Crypto Solutions, here to help you make the best decisions in cryptocurrency and in cryptocurrency technical analysis. So in today's Bitcoin technical analysis YouTube video, guys, we're gonna keep it very summarized in today's video here. I'm just gonna update here for the Bitcoin price. It's been some time, at least for the Bitcoin price, since I haven't updated on my public channel. I did already updated you guys about in my Discord group in that case. But yeah, if you're interested, you can definitely join. I usually post more often there. I put more potential trading opportunities and so on. And so yeah, guys, if you want more trading opportunities like this, where in this case the XDC price, I catch this exact top over here right now here around 8 cents here. You can see on the daily quickly here that we are seeing literally it was this range over here. I'm gonna show you quickly my trade here. So here, guys, my entry price was initially 0.084 cents. I added more into my position and that lowered my entry price. This is a short position right now. I'm on 17% profits here, and literally I proceeded with that exact range over here. Got that one, and I'm expecting a lower target here. If you want to follow my trades or any new ones, so we can make money together, not financial advice, but just to see research purposes and more trading opportunities, you can definitely join my Discord group here, which I publish here. Like for example, here my personal midterm trade number 4 here, and here was the exact day. I was on August 3rd right here, and this was my entry prices here. I added 200 more there, and so far this is a very good thing I'm seeing here for the XCC price. So it's very beautiful. And more is into my Discord group in that case, and you can join my Discord group in the description below, or you can follow this on this screen right now. On the lower right side, you're gonna see patreon.com/cryptosolutions, and there you can join us. It's very affordable. Make it on purpose like that so we can help you as much as possible. And guys, see you in my Discord group, guys, right now. Let's get started, guys. So here for the Bitcoin price. And also, guys, leave a like, comment, and share this YouTube video with your friends. Also subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, guys, and I really appreciate your support. Thank you so much, and let's get started here. So guys, here we're seeing that on the long term, we're seeing the huge falling wedge here. Support, resistance, breakout, support, follow through. Price target it will be around this $69,000. It already broke out. It is on its way, but it's gonna take some time because this pattern took multi-years to form. So this is a multi-year result that you have to wait, in summary. And so in here we have an inverse head and shoulders here. We have shoulder, head, shoulder. This yellow line is the neckline. It broke above here. It confirmed beautiful support there and bounced there. And the price target for that inverse head and shoulders would be in between that $35,000 and that $41,000. Okay, so on the long term we're bullish. Midterm we are still bullish, and because we're forming higher lows here, still higher highs still here. Okay, so technically we're long-term bullish, midterm bullish, short-term we're still bullish still, and I'm gonna go into more detail about that. Here we're gonna go to the daily so you can see what I'm referring to here. And here it formed a bull flag and a falling wedge. So this is still a bull flag, even if it looks like a falling wedge. So it's both, because on the daily it looks like a falling wedge. The weekly and other large time frames, it looks like a bull flag still. So we see here the support, resistance, 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 support, resistance, support, and then break out very rapidly and met the target. Okay, So that's the reason you saw also that massive move. In summary, falling wedges likes to break out to the upside very rapidly, usually for the Bitcoin price. And here, now we're forming a bull flag here. And I mentioned, guys, that this target, if it breaks down, we have both flags can still break down. Okay, that doesn't mean that it's guaranteed to the upside. So that's why you have to wait for break of support or resistance. Got support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, support, break below, confirmation of previous support, resistance, 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 and then follow through here. Price target for the breakdown here is all the way down around $28,271 with 35 cents. I mentioned also here that but this was also on my Discord group in that case, at least for the Y line here. So we have this, you see this Y line over here? This is very important. And I'm going to show you quickly why and why that's very bullish what's the Bitcoin price doing right now. And again, this breakouts, you can wait 2 to 4 daily body candle closes above this resistance. That's to be conservative, or 1 to 2 weekly body candle closes above this. Okay. And the same goes to the downside. If it starts breaking this support, 2 to 4 daily body candle closes below that support, or 1 to 2 weekly body candle closes below that, then immediate support would be this 0.786 Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so that would be around $29,584 with 28 cents. If that gets broken, then we will see a dump, another dump there at the golden pocket here. That will be in confluence with the 8 simple moving average on the weekly as support, the yellow line, and the golden pocket. This will be massive support, and also technically this trading range also serves as very beautiful support, and the Fibonacci tracing as support, and the 8 simple moving average weekly time frame as support also on the yellow line. So about well, that was very interesting. So you got the yellow line with the golden pocket synchronized on the weekly. So that's very great, guys. Okay. And I believe eventually we will retest this eventually. Okay. It can be now or later. So that Y line, we have the support, so many supports here, then breakdown, resistance, fake out, another fake out, double rejection, break above, and now we're confirming that as support. So that's very, very strong support, guys. That's massive, massive support, which is now being turning from resistance to support. So that's very big, guys. Okay. And we are holding that so far using that Y line. You can see here, rejections, double fake out, break above, and 3 supports so far on the weekly time frame here. Okay. So right now, very important for this level to hold for that Y line, okay? And in this case, I did mention on the daily here, my previous Bitcoin technical analysis, which also this happened exactly as predicted. Usually when I put a target, I like to take profits before. And so this target already, I would say, completed my target. It will be $28,611.63, okay? That would be the target. It has already been fulfilled in that case. And that's how usually I like to trade that. I don't like to usually wait until the exact target, especially when I mention that you're having so much support here. So much support. You have the purple line support. So I'm going to show you guys quickly what do I mean by that purple line support. So here we can see support, bounce, support, bounce, support, bounce. And here we are still having support. So that's why I mentioned don't expect a breakdown until first we see breaking both supports of this golden pocket here, and then in combination also with the purple lines here, okay? And I did mention expect support right here. If the Bitcoin price cannot hold this 0.786 Fibonacci tracing, I told you guys this $29,578 with 94 cents. If that cannot be held as support, which is support here, support here, support here, support, I told you guys then expect a retest of the golden pocket here. And you can see we retested that 2 times and bounce. And this is very bullish, guys, because the price is not staying almost no time there. So that's also a very good sign, because it's showing that there's a lot of buying pressure here on the supports, which is good, because you're seeing that on the very strong supports, you're seeing the the support, yeah, support from the bullish side in that case. And so that's very good, guys. Plus, I added this white line in my recent crypto market updates, crypto solutions market updates on my Discord group, which is also very important. So we have the white line support, 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 support. So we have so many support, guys. We have the golden pocket supports here. We have the white line support and the purple line support. So that's so many reasons why in that case. And that golden pocket here, which is this 0.618 and this 0.65, it's the $28,475.78 and $28,682.69. And so, yeah, this happened exactly as predicted. Retest of the golden pocket, bounce. Still, we're below this 0.786 Fibonacci trace, and we want to break above that and have that as support for this to continue going higher. Okay, right now it's getting rejected and it's below that, as you can see. So you can see here you have one fake out, 2 fake outs. That's why you had to wait for the daily body candle closes, not just wicks. Just fake out, huge rejection perfectly to the daily body candle close, and now we're still below that. So right now, guys, here it's just, yeah, in summary, it's consolidating. And so the support here on this purple line, this will get very bearish, not very bearish, but it will get bearish if it starts losing this golden pocket supports, white line support, and this purple line support. That will not be very good. Okay, if that happens, then expect a retest to around the 0.5 Fibonacci trace on $27,727.64. Okay, yeah, that's my outlook on that. And let's see if we have any bearish divergences here. And so quickly here, so we did have it here, like higher highs here, lower highs here. And yeah, still it is consolidating. Let's see. Yeah, now I want to show you this, guys. Okay, here on the Bitcoin price, I'm seeing something that's not that good, at least with a significant strategy here, which is the weekly bearish divergence. It's not good, guys. We're seeing here even to the wicks and the weekly body candle closes, higher highs. On the RSI here, lower highs by a lot. That's not good. That's a bearish divergence. So that's why it's like consolidating. But if the Bitcoin price cannot pump very soon here, if it keeps consolidating like this, it will go most likely have a huge rejection if it doesn't start pumping right now. I would say in between this week to 1 to 2 weeks, I would say. If it can't start breaking above, I will expect more continuation to the downside because of this weekly bearish divergence. And not only that, guys, another bearish sign is that this yellow line you see here, the simple moving average, that's the 8 simple moving average. Usually we don't want to see, if we're expecting more continuation to the upside, we don't want to see weekly body candle closes below that, especially one, and it seems like it's gonna be a second one. It's very important right now, very soon here, for the next week for 1 to 2 weeks now, for this yellow line to be regained as support, which is 29. Right now it would be $29,919.59. Okay, it's very important for this to start, because usually if it doesn't recover, let's say 1, 2, usually it likes to break down after closing 2 weekly body candle closes below. But in some rare scenarios, the third one manages to just recover. but in average, most of the times it requires two. So it has to recover very soon, or that's not going to be good. Okay, and we're gonna most likely in that case, if we see the full bearish divergence in the weekly time frame, we can retest this pink line, the 200 simple moving average in the weekly time frame. That would be around $27,356.80. And not only that, guys, that would be the macro Fibonacci retracements of this macro pull here. That would be on the macro 0.382 Fibonacci retracement on the $27,397 with 4 cents in that case. Okay, so we have so much support, guys, so much support. So that's another very good thing I'm seeing here, that the Bitcoin price has formed so much support. So that's, yeah, very good in summary. And yeah, that's what I'm seeing here for the Bitcoin price. For more bull flags, I mean, let's see. So if you want to see this as a bull flag, in this case, on the falling wedge, then the price targets are also in between that $35,000 and that 36,800. That in between that 35,000 and $36,766 with 79 cents. I'm still expecting more upside in that case. So I'm expecting for this first, for this 0.5 macro Fibonacci retracement to be retested at least once. That would be finding resistance at $32,686 with 76 cents. And if it can break above that and confirm this as support, that would mean for each support and resistance I mentioned, guys, in order to break supports or to break resistance, what the confirmations I usually wait are 2 to 4 daily body candle closes or 1 to 2 weekly body candle closes. That's my general rule when I'm looking for a high percentage of the support breaking or the resistance breaking in that case. And so once this 0.5 Fibonacci tracing can be held as support, then next resistance will be $35,705 with 15 cents. If that level gets broken, then golden pocket, macro golden pocket on the 0.618 and the 0.65 Fibonacci tracing in between $38,997 with 80 cents and $40,910 with 19 cents. So from all of the patterns I already told you guys here, and the each support resistance, what do I expect realistically? Well, like always, in this case, I'm putting more emphasis on this inverse head and shoulders. So in between that $35,000 and $41,000 will be my targets, which I'm looking to take more profits. I already took profits for the Bitcoin price. I already took around 35% of my position here. And the main reason was because of the massive weekly bearish divergence. So if we go down like this, after confirming, the break of all the supports already mentioned there, of the previous supports, then I can buy more here. Okay, I already did that with a couple of cryptocurrencies. I already sold also my XRP trade, also made a lot of profits there, and also my long-term XRP, the long-term portfolio, I took also around 35% profits in between 82 cents and 72 cents in that case. So that's another very great thing. That's why when we are approaching the golden pocket, usually it's a good level to take profits on the macro. Not financial advice, but that's what I usually do. And yeah, so far we're just going up like a staircase. So first, pump, confirmation of the 0.236 Fibonacci tracing, support, next 0.382 Fibonacci tracing, support, breakdown, recover, fake out, breakdown, recover, and it is on its way to that 0.5 Fibonacci tracing, the $32,686 with 76 cents. Okay, and yes, I'm expecting minimum in between this range, like I already mentioned before. Okay, and that would be in between $32,686 with 76 cents and this golden pocket in that case. This 0.618 and the 0.65 Fibonacci trace in between that $38,997 with 80 cents and $40,910 with 19 cents. Okay, that's what I'm expecting for the Bitcoin price, guys. And yeah, so far that's mostly what I'm seeing here. I have long-term strategies I'm using on my Discord group, which I added also there, which is some moving averages, which allows me to determine which are the long-term supports that most likely, almost guaranteed, will not be broken. Just to give you a hint, it is very, very unlikely Bitcoin price will go to $18,000 again. Okay, even 20,000 to some extent, unless a black swan event happens, which I'm expecting at the end of this year. We're really close to it, but I'm expecting in that case for those levels to almost do not get retested, and if they do, it's not gonna last that long in summary. But I do expect though that for those targets to not be met, unless there's a black swan event, and that's another story. But if not, don't expect it in summary. And so yeah, that's what I'm seeing for the Bitcoin price, guys. I want to thank you for watching this YouTube video, guys. I really appreciate it. If you have any more questions, you can definitely message me on my Discord group. You can join my Discord group in that case. And yes, I read the comments and so on. I can comment in that case also. Leave a like, comment, and share this YouTube video with your friends so they can know what to expect for the Bitcoin price in the short term, mid term, and long term. And thank you so much again for watching this. If you wanted to join my Discord group, that would be great. I can tell you when I'm buying and selling. I can do technical analysis in like 5 different cryptocurrencies in just one video. I do that also like with Bitcoin, XRP. Also do it with Theta, T-Fuel, Persistence token. I can do it with Chainlink, Cardano. I can do it with VeChain, Vitor token. It can be Binance. It can be, for example, it can be heads also. Can be heads, can be in that case, let's see, Caspa. It's another interesting one I'm looking at. And yeah, so far that's what that's it's mostly so far, guys. And thank you so much again for watching this YouTube video, guys. Really appreciate it. If you need help in the cryptocurrency market, had any questions, investing in short-term, mid-term, and long-term, I have an elite VIP crypto investor membership, which I cover 2 to 3 times per week. Technical analysis on various cryptocurrencies. It can be Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, Chainlink. It can be HETS, it can be Binance, it can be Quant, ISO 222 tokens, it can be IOTA, XLM, etc. And I also post it's like a signals kind of thing, but it's more towards me showing you what I'm doing in this case, which is trading in the short term and mid term. I put on trading opportunities, which I'm going to show you right now, which are right here when you're seeing the midterm personal trading opportunities. Like this, I update you guys on my trading opportunities and when I'm looking to buy or take profits or sell. Also, when I'm doing dollar cost averaging, I also notify when I'm buying and selling which specific cryptocurrencies. This is not financial advice. But this can be used as educational investigation and also entertainment. So, and also, if you have any specific questions about if this cryptocurrency is good, what about this one? Will it be in the future? What will be the most likely outcomes? Things like that. I can definitely help you with that. I also take into consideration the total solar eclipses, the total lunar eclipses, the Shemitah cycles, and other very, very important indicators which I personally use to determine near bottoms and near tops in the bear markets and bull markets for the Bitcoin price. So yeah, if you need help, you can definitely click in the Patreon link in the description below. Patreon.com/cryptosolutions, and that's how it works usually. Like I have the $50 per month in this case crypto portfolio investment review, but that will be just one payment, so it will not be a per month basis. It will be just one verification. So if you're interested, you can definitely click on my Patreon link in the description below, Crypto Solutions. It will be patreon.com/cryptosolutions, and I will see you guys there. I really appreciate it, guys, and I will help you as much as possible. I will see you right now there, guys. Have a nice day, guys, and take care, guys. Have a nice day, guys. Take care, guys, and peace out, guys.